Today we're going to show you how to execute Smith machine incline chest press. So for this exercise, you're going to need an incline bench. Set the bottom pin to its highest point on this bench. It is the third pin. And the top of the bench, you're going to want to set it to 45 degrees. Not all benches are going to have markings on them, so some you're going to have to approximate. Now, when you're setting up your Smith machine, I like setting it up even before I put any weights on them. So here there's no weights. I want to have it set up between my sternum and my chin to ensure that I'm engaging my upper pec when I'm doing this exercise. So I do a couple reps with no weight on. Let's also make sure that my shoulder, I don't feel any pinches or anything like that, because with the Smith machine, it doesn't move, it's rigid. As you can see in this side shot, it's set up perfectly. I'm engaging my upper pec and squeezing at the top, still keeping a slight bend in the elbow. That was incline Smith machine chest press. I prefer using the Smith machine when I'm doing my incline press because I don't have to worry. So that was Smith machine incline chest press. When I'm doing my incline press, I really prefer to use a Smith machine because I can really load up the weight and I don't have to worry too much or concentrate too much about my form. I can really just press that weight. This is a great exercise, especially for right up in your upper chest. That way you get that definition right in between your upper pec. A couple things you want to be aware of is that the bar is coming in between your sternum and your chin, and that your core is tight and that you're digging your belly button into the back of the pad. Alright, hit the like button down below if you like the video. Hit subscribe up here, that way you'll get notified when more videos get posted up. Alright, thanks for watching.